Hi everyone, this is a continuation of the last video where I was showing you how to properly install a needle into a Kenmore 1581941. Well, now all that's left here is to make sure that we reinstall the super high shank foot. So you'll notice that the foot is higher, and it's like, how am I going to get this on there? Pull up on your pressure bar. You have lots of play with the Kenmores. Now I get the foot here, and notice here's the pressure bar. The foot is U-shaped channeled, shaped like a U-shaped channel there. And what I want to do is come with it, and I want to come over, and you're going to feel it sort of want to latch on to this bar tip. And you want the foot to be behind. Notice it's going up behind this little screw area, this right there by my thumb, right? So hold this foot up like that, right? And just, you can put your finger under it. You don't want it to drop. Okay, now you can keep your finger there. You can let go of the pressure bar lever, but you want to come up on this little baby lever in the back. That is what holds your foot in place, right? And you just bring it up until it stops. Don't smack it or wrench it, and you're done. And your foot is on there. Again, when I want the foot off, right, I'm going to push down on the little baby lever, and when I do, it's like a quick release. One of the early quick release features of a sewing machine. And again, but I'm going to come back up with the foot. Again, I've lowered my pressure bar a bit, but I'm under there now. Notice I'm going to take the foot, push all the way up till it stops, and then pull up on the little baby lever until it stops, and don't force it past that stop point. You're done. You've just installed a super high shank lever or pressure foot onto a Kenmore 158.1941. Hope that was helpful. Thank you all for watching.